Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to log out Telegram from other devices. Friends, if you have logged in Telegram in someone's device and later want to remotely log out, then you simply need to press on the three lines. Now here you need to press on settings. Now here you need to scroll a little down and press on devices. Now here you will find all the logged in devices. You simply need to select the device which you want to log out. Like if I want to log out my desktop login, then I simply need to select it, and after selecting I need to press on terminate session, and after selecting terminate session I will be logged out from the selected device. So friends, like this you can very easily remotely log out Telegram from other devices. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.